Hello everyone, this is Reggie Patterson and welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. This week I want to talk about using PLR to build out collaborations with other marketers. So let's go ahead and get started. And now the fourth part of the system is about collaborations. As I said, if you do these things right, you don't have to be great at all the other things, but this will cover a multitude of sins. There are two kinds of collaborations in online marketing. One is the affiliate relationship. It's based on sales commission. The other one is joint venture, where you're sharing revenue, and you can do either or you can do both. Both of them require continual content, however. So when you become a great affiliate, when you become a joint venture partner, you still have to be producing content and great products. Let's just talk about affiliate relationships for a second. You create great information products in order to use as a bonus for your promotion of the other vendor you're promoting. You can create bonuses for those that promote your products. In other words, somebody's going to promote your product and you can say, hey, here's a course you can promise your customers that I'm going to give you to offer to them. This is what having great PLR will help you to be able to do. You can use premiums to increase the likelihood that your product is going to sell for the affiliate. So again, you still need to have lots of content that turns into lots of products. Now, this is something that, once again, it needs to be systematic, and you need to do this consistently in order to make this work. Now, you might be one of those people that maybe have staff that does a lot of this stuff, but you don't need staff to do this. This is really a matter of asking. It needs to be part of everything that you do. But if you don't have staff, you need to develop processes to do two things. Number one, to seek out collaborations, and number two, to create new products from PLR. You've got to have those two processes in order to make collaborations work. Okay, remember, you can get access to our newsletter at IamProfitsCoach.com. And if you are interested in learning more about how you can use PLR to grow your traffic and profits, my team has put together a special training course that shows you exactly how to do that. You can check it out by going to iampc.ws/PPL if you're interested in that. Also, be sure to take a look at our Digital Retirement Rebels Insiders Club at iampc.ws/14day. Okay, so with that, thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. Take care.